Got the on-stage stand. This is the table stand for the mic. Bass drum, boom combo. Y'all see this sideline? You got a couple little features here. I ain't gonna sit there and read them all, but the guy at the store says this is one of the best ones. So that's what they all say. The good thing is the weight really got some weight to it. You know what I'm saying? Don't you hate them mics? The mic is heavier than the stand. I think this is really gonna, yeah, that's really gonna hold it down right there, man. That's really gonna hold it down right there. So basically, you screw in. Screw in the stand, the pole to the stand. Yeah, this baby ain't going nowhere. This is a good investment right here. Y'all want a table stand for your mic. And I think, there we go. I think it's this way. So it's adjustable also. Once we figure all that out, there we go. It's adjustable. I don't know how we tied it back up. Here's the mic. So I guess you just attach the mic on top. Might be doing something wrong. We ain't even gonna edit all this out. Y'all gonna see complications. Y'all gonna see everything. We gotta try to screw this on. There we go. So you got that. Got the adjustable knob right here to tighten it up to hold position. You got the leverage, tighten it up. Damn, hold on. Get some shit. Hold on. Then you're gonna have to put the weight towards the back end. There we go. There we go, y'all. Voila. Mic check. That seemed kind of high though, so we're gonna bring it down like that. Mic check. I don't think that's working like that. Adjust the mic in a little bit. It's all about balancing the weight, man. Once you balance the weight, your mic is cool. Like I said, that's the on-stage mic kicker. Y'all want to get at, you got the model number MS79208 20B. It's a good investment. Can't complain.